So, good morning, guys. My name is Sandeep Kumar Jha, and I have joined the Cavalier Institute on 3rd of November. And I have learned there so many things. I am how to build your thinking power and always be a good thinker. Never be on a negative mood, always positive mood. Always be on neutral. Dependent person is always be on neutral. He ever never stress and anything more. So, what is your experience? I am talking about chest number 5, Elizabeth. Tell me what's your points.
Hello everyone, my name is Eliza. I joined on 3rd November. So my experience here was very nice. Actually, the first thing is it's quite different when we do it practically. The things which we see on YouTube and the things which we practically do, it's very different. We get to learn so many things, especially in psych. He told us the perspective, like he changed our perspective and our approach to the problems and to write TAT stories, VAT or SRT. And then in GTO task, we got a group with whom we can
shown me different directions. Like in my PPDT, I used to be very dynamic. I used to make even if their pictures doesn't show any crime, I would involve crime and then kidnapper. And now in these 2 weeks, I have learned that I need to be natural. I need to think with a positive mind.
That so, it is a great advantage for me, but it went totally against me because the irony was that my psych portion was the weakest here. And the way sir highlighted even the slightest thing for us of my story being too dramatic or the things being to somewhere dynamic, it gives you a very much insight about what you should do. Like even the references of Ram, Krishna, Parshuram, and obstacles, we know that how to tie a rope, something which we didn't know. We thought that we know, but we got to know that we don't. So it's like बहुत सी basic चीज़ें होती हैं which we somewhere ignore. We thought that we know, but here we got to know that no, what we should think of, yes, and something in detail. We should be specific, and we are the master of our own destiny, and who fails us? Us. So I think we are not going to forget anything that has been given to us and has been
The most important factor in my life, that is the Jetli sir words कि I have never seen boys just like you. अगर साला तू नहीं करेगा तो कौन करेगा? You can do it. तो इतना स्ट्रगल करके यहाँ तक बहुत कम ही लोग पहुँच पाते हैं और तूने पहुँच पाया है. And the second most important thing that is my life, the when Kalra sir is talking about our GP, then they have seen उन्होंने हमें बहुत कुछ ऐसी चीज़ दिखाई जो कि साला हम सोच ही नहीं पा रहे थे, जो कि हमारे माइंड में आ नहीं रहा था. उन्होंने ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें हमें उससे रूबरू करवाया. और चावरा सर की क्लास की तो मैं क्या ही बात करूँ, उन्होंने जो भी किया ना मेरे साथ, इट्स रियली टू मच वेरी इफेक्टिव. सबसे खास जो ये चीज़ रहा गुस्से को, आई एम व्हेन आई कम कंप्लीट माई 2 days देयर, आई एम गोइंग टू deep down. I am in depression, so I can't do that. I can't write any story. My story is very slow. My words are not well. My sentence is not going down well. So what I do? But when Sarma sir teaches psychology class, then my mind go to a good thinker, and my mind is thinking too much best, and it's our last day, and my stamina and my mind capacity is longer. Sunil Chopra sir told me कि दिमाग तो लगा लेता है लेकिन थोड़ा सा कहीं थ्योरी गलत, उसको ठीक कर ले. ठीक. So some points are, it's too much good, yeah. So very thankful for this.
I think that that's what I mean. Like we all can agree that we have somewhere more than for SSB. We have learned qualities for life. Like the simple thing as maintaining the eye contact while talking to someone. It's like we never thought of it. Like if we somewhere had that hesitance, we knew that we are not maintaining eye contact because we are feeling that hesitance in us. But because of sir, we know that anywhere if we are talking to someone, we are not going to look here and there because sir says that invisible hand will be there to guide us. Look there. And I think more than anything about the overall curriculum of SSB, it's more about understanding what are you and what can you improve in yourself. Like you cannot change yourself fully, and that's what we have learned here. It wasn't about transforming our personality from 1 to 2.0. It was about just enhancing what you already have in you, and that is what matters most of the time, to improve the OLQs in you instead of changing yourself to a new personality which somewhere becomes fake. So that direction is what the right direction I believe we have gotten into.
So I am concluding the Akash words. I have passed from Bihar examination boards, and I have studied in Sanskrit. I am graduate, Sanskrit graduate. So my English is very down because I know that's much. I Sandeep Jha कि when I am in class intermediate, then I don't know how to speak in Hindi. So today I am speaking in English. So it's my potential power. But what I have learned from here कि you are speaking English is okay, but this is not English. स्टार्टिंग टूटी फूटी लंगड़ा लुल्हा इंग्लिश. सो ये नहीं चलेगा एसएसबी में. तो बेटा सुधार लो. एंड आई एम वर्किंग about my English. So in my field it's good in English, but whenever I am going to SSB, then English is not enough. So Sarma sir just suggest me कि ये लंगड़ी इंग्लिश से काम नहीं चलेगा, आप अपनी और सुधारो। सो जो कुछ बातें उन्होंने बताई हैं एस सर ने, तो ये काफ़ी लाइफ इम्पैक्ट डाल रहा है, जो कि हमने अंदर से हमें मतलब कि कहते हैं ना पत्थर पे मूर्तियाँ बनानी, इसको पहले तराशना पड़ता है। कुछ नियम होते हैं, लोग अक्सर कहते हैं नियम तो बने ही हैं तोड़ने के लिए। अरे नियम तोड़ने के लिए थोड़ी, नियम आपस में जोड़ने के लिए बने हैं। यहाँ कुछ रूल थे, कुछ रेगुलेशन थे, 5 मिनट का ब्रेक, कंटिन्यू 3 घंटा क्लास चलेगी, बीच में कोई हिलेगा नहीं, कोई जाएगा नहीं। तो ये माइंड का जो प्रेशर कंट्रोल करने का पावर था ये और बढ़ाता है कि मान लो हमारे बगल में कोई कुछ कर भी रहा है तो हमारे ऊपर कुछ उसका प्रभाव नहीं पड़ रहा है, तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को भी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ा रहा है। तो ये सब चीज़ें जो थी चपरासी क्लास में वो बेहतरीन थी, एकदम लल्लन टॉफ जिसे कह सकते हैं हम। सो